So at the moment, everybody's talking about starting a dropshipping business with no money, right? Well, today I'm going to be completely honest with you and show you what is and what isn't possible. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to get started if you're on an extremely tight budget. Plus, later on in the video, I'm going to show you a strategy that the gurus just won't tell you about. Hi there, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I'm a straight talker and I will be straight with you. And today we're going to cut through all of the hype of whether you can actually start dropshipping with no money or on a very tight budget. And I've helped hundreds of stores and owners just like you grow and scale their business. So without further ado, guys, let's just get started. Okay guys, let's address the elephant in the room. Is it really possible to get started with no money in dropshipping? So look, here's the honest truth. You can actually get started with no money. Technically, you can do it with Facebook Marketplace. But what I will say is you will need to invest a lot of time. And if I'm being really honest, there's going to be a little bit amount of money that you are going to have to spend in order to get your business up and running. But here's what most people won't tell you. It's actually better to start with very little money at all, because it means you're actually starting smart. It actually forces you to learn the fundamentals without losing all of your life savings. But look, here's where it gets really interesting. The minimum practical investment isn't as large as what people think. And while some gurus might tell you that you need thousands to get started, here's the breakdown. You can actually get started by testing your products on Facebook Marketplace, and there are no upfront costs. If there are going to be any costs, it'd be 5% per sale. Your main investment will be the time learning the platform and learning how to actually market your products. And this is actually a strategy that I teach some of my clients if they're starting from scratch and they don't have a lot of money. And I would actually say that Facebook Marketplace is actually your best friend if you are actually starting with no money. So here's why. You've got zero listing fees. You've got a built-in audience of millions. And of course, you've got instant messaging with your customers. And the beauty about starting off on Facebook Marketplace is you can actually test your products on a free marketplace before you even purchase a Shopify subscription. So let me tell you something else that's really interesting. Now, this is where most people get stuck, but there is actually a solution for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the Amazon bestseller list, and you're also going to use AliExpress. And the great thing about using those two platforms to do your research is it's actually not going to cost you anything. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription. It's right there on the internet. What you want to do is you want to focus on items that cost between $50 and $200. What you want to do is you want to make sure there is actually a decent margin there. And here's a pro tip for you. Make sure you're choosing a product that is actually solving a problem. So you're solving a problem for your customer. Now look guys, even though you can actually start with no money, or what I would say is little money, you're gonna have to spend a lot of time. Like any business, you're gonna have to spend a lot of your own time trying to get things right. You're gonna fail a lot of times, but it gives you time to actually make those failures on a smaller platform before you actually start spending a lot of money and actually spending money on ads as well. And look guys, if you want to learn more about what I'm talking about in this video, you really want to join my free school community called the Ecom Network. Hey there e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And look, if you're new to this concept and you've never heard of this before, you really want to watch my next video, because in my next video, I'll show you what dropshipping is and how it actually works. My name's Des, and I'll see you in the next video.